On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Colorify, and click on the Colorify app. Now you'll notice that there is a crown symbol at the bottom right corner, which means that you'll have to be on a pro plan to be able to use this feature. So once I click Colorify, I can click on my image and then click Add a Color. Or if you have an image of your own, you can come to Choose File and upload your image into the Colorify app. So I'm just going to use this black and white image for this example. I'm going to click on it, Add Color. So now I can adjust the levels of saturation and color here by dragging on the bar and moving it left or right. So this really just depends on your preference on how you want to color your image. So I'm just going to make a few adjustments here. You can also come over to the top of the preview and you can drag the scroll bar left and right to preview the before, which is the black and white image, and the colorified image, and you can compare the results and see if you like it or not and continue make adjustments if you choose to do so. And once I'm done, I can either replace the original black and white image or I can add this image to my new design. So I'm just going to replace the black and white image here. And now this is my new image after it's colorified. So I can turn a black and white portrait into a colored image that looks as realistic as possible. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.